Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you?
I'm good. I'm great. How about you? How was your day?
It was good, ma'am.
It was good. Can I know your name, please?
My name is Samiran Mandwe.
Samir.
Yes, ma'am. Samiran.
Okay. Samira,
Samiran. Ran.
can you just keep your mic a little closer to your mouth so that I can hear you properly?
Okay, ma'am. My
Yes.
name is Samiran. Samiran.
Samiran. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Samiran Mandwe.
Am I the one who is not able to hear it? Can you repeat again?
Samiran Mandwe. Ma'am, am I audible?
Okay. Good. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So Samiran, I have some questions for you. We will have this discussion, HR discussion, where I'll ask you a few questions and expect some answers from you. So, are you comfortable? Can we go ahead and start?
Yes, ma'am. Comfortable. We can start.
Okay. So, Samiran, can you tell me something which is not there in your CV, which you have not mentioned in your CV? Can you tell me something about yourself, which is not in your CV?
Which is not in my CV. The food I like.
Yes.
I
Okay.
like
So,
sweets.
what do you like? Okay.
I like sweets. I like that orange burfi, which is from Haldiram. I haven't
Okay.
mentioned that. And after
Okay.
that, I mentioned everything which was I did in my past years till now.
Okay. So
And my
Samiran, what?
parents, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, sorry about that. Yes. So
It's
can
okay.
you tell me your technical background, please?
I did my graduation in BSc Computer Science. After that, I came to the PSK Technologies for full stack development course and code igniter. In that, I have completed my four languages, 4 to 5 languages, which includes C language, HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, and I
Okay.
am doing internship in digital marketing.
Okay.
It's been 4 months. I'm in this company. I have not completed the course right now. It's running on.
Mhm.
It's an 8 month course, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So what kind of a job you're looking for yourself?
Ma'am, I'm looking for web development and web design, which I think which
Okay.
is comfortable for me, and I feel confident and I can give my best to the company in design and development also.
Okay. How much you will rate yourself in a full stack in a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest?
As far as I'm seeing my results, that I'm improving from the day one I was 0, and it's been 4 months. So I'll rate out of 10 to me that 7, 6 to 7. Honest, ma'am.
6 to 7. Okay. That's an honest one. So, what kind of a profile you're looking ahead for yourself in an organization?
I'm looking myself as a web designer, ma'am. Web design and web development. I want to see my full career in. I'm also interested in digital marketing. Also, if I also got a chance as well as doing with web designing, I'll pursue it, ma'am. If I'm
Okay.
able to get both tasks, if I'm able to get a job in both uh, designations, I'll able to perform well, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, Sabiran, what are the three major skills which is required for a web developer?
Web developer first is creative thinking.
Okay.
Second one is of course the knowledge of languages which is required to make a design. Third one is knowing all the tags, every basic
Knowing?
details of all tags which is required in the language.
Okay. Excellent. Well done. Okay.
Thank you.
So what do you think? What are your strengths?
My strength is that I'm hardworking and I'm patient
Okay. Okay.
and I'm
All
team
right.
player also, ma'am.
And also, I'm sorry, I missed that.
I'm a team player. I'm a I'm a good at playing football, ma'am. I was a
Okay.
player. I was a defender. I was a defending position for my college team when I was in graduation, and we won the finals. And I'm good
Okay.
at curve shots.
Oh,
Curve
that's good.
shots. Yes, ma'am. Have you seen,
Okay.
ma'am, Messi playing in the field that he curves the ball and throws in the goal? I'm good at
Well,
that. I'm being well known in my football team.
okay. That's nice. That's really nice to know that you are contributing some time of yours into sports as well. So are you continuing with your sports or you have left because of your hectic schedule here?
I left it, ma'am. Fortunately, I have to leave it. I wasn't able to continue more further because I came to Nagpur and I wasn't able to contact with them. They always call me and they call me that when you are coming here, as it's not possible right now, I am looking for my career. I have to look for my career as well. So I'll play with them, but not as a professional. Just normal playing as friends, friendly playing.
Mhm. Okay, fine. Okay. So Samiran, do you think that what kind of a environment you're looking for yourself when you join an organization? What environment do you think you will get?
I'm really sorry, ma'am. May I know the question again because the sound got lagged.
Yes. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll rephrase it. I mean to say, as a fresher, when you join a company, okay, what kind of environment you are expecting?
A helping environment, ma'am. If I'm a fresher, that
Okay.
I'm going to experience everything. A group of people
Mhm.
who are very optimistic and very dedicated. That is the thing I am looking for at the first time if I get into any organization.
Okay. All right. So, what is your dream job?
My dream job. My dream job is to become in web designer, web development.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Fine. Okay, Samiran, any questions do you have for me?
I'm I'm feeling a little weird to ask this to you, ma'am. Hello,
Hello?
hello, hello, ma'am.
Yes, can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. May I ask you a question if you don't mind, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. I think there's some internet issues. So it got disconnected. So my question is, I'm done with your interview. Do you have any questions for me?
I have one, ma'am.